Do you spend more time than you should worrying about unexpected visitors? The world is changing, and burglars are getting smarter by the day. In a world where they're able to bypass even the most seemingly advanced of burglar alarms, you need an invincible alternative. You need us. We understand burglar alarm systems, designing home and business security solutions that align with your distinct goals. Our uniquely tailored solutions combine trusted techniques with evolving technologies to keep you and your property secure 24/7, 365. While many advanced systems can be expensive, we're proud to offer an affordable alternative without compromising your protection. Our dedicated team will install and maintain your alarm system, going the extra mile to keep danger out of the picture. So what are you waiting for? Your security is our top priority. Give us a call today and let's redefine the meaning of safe and sound.